Hey guys, welcome to TutorialGuru. Today we'll be learning how to log into Chime bank account online on our computer. And now let's dive right in. Now to log into your Chime bank account online on your computer, first open up your preferred browser as I have already opened the Google Chrome. And on the search bar, click over there and type in the address chime.com and you turn enter, and then you'll be directed to the home page of Chime Bank. And you can see now, in order to log into your Chime Bank account, at the top right corner of the screen you can see there is the login button available for us just beside the sign up. Click on that login, and over here you'll be required to enter your email address of the account of which you want to log into your Chime account, and after that enter the password of your Chime account. But guys, if you have forgotten your email address or your password, you can retrieve it from over here where it says the forgot your email address or forgot your password. If you click on either of those buttons, you'll be taken to a retrieval page where you can either retrieve your email address or password depending upon which one you lost, by giving in some credentials. And with that being said guys, after entering your email address and your password, simply click on the sign in button available over here, and then you'll be logged into your Chime bank account online on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.